Sound all around. Sound is all around. We hear many sounds every day. Around clouds, messages, sounds. What is sound? Sound is energy. Sound is made when an object vibrates to move back and forth very fast. Sound travels in waves. These are called sound. We hear what sound waves travel to our ears. Sound can be loud or quiet. A police car siren is loud. A kitten's purr is quiet. Sounds can be high or low. A mouse squeak is loud. The rumble of thunder is low. Sound is important. Sound helps us in many ways. Listen, what sounds do you hear?
So, class, what sounds do you hear right now? Do you hear loud? Do you hear quiet? Do you hear high? Do you hear low? What sounds do you hear? Tell your parents using your core board or your communication board that we already have right here and talk about what sounds do you hear? Do they vibrate? Can you listen? Are they fast? Are they slow? What kind of sounds do you hear?